Thank you for making business. That's Ate Lot. Guys, this could be my day 16 of having it not to wait for 1 week before I exchange my coins into Philippine peso paper bills. See that? Thank you, Lord, for these wonderful blessings. If ever you guys keep on saving money, day 16 for 1 million pesos saving challenge. So do the same thing. Earn, save, and invest. 1 million pesos saving challenge. Day 16. Congratulations! Thank you, thank you. So keep on saving money, okay? Bye for now.